What is going on, guys? Cody from KHC here today, and in today's video we have a brand new 2025 Toyota Tacoma with the iForce Max. And man, am I excited for this one, because I love myself a good taco and I love a good new wheel setup. But not only are we doing some new wheels, but we also have a Westcott 2.5-inch preload collar lift kit. But guys, let's get back to the wheels. So we are going to be going with some methods in a 17 by 8.5 in a plus 25 offset with a matte black finish. And we are going to be wrapping these method wheels with some Toyo Open Country AT3 tires. But guys, let's hop in this taco, bring it back to the shop, and let's start wrenching. Well guys, here it is. The 2025 Tacoma is done. It's sitting on the matte black method wheels with Toyo Open Country AT3 tires, along with the Westcott 2.5-inch collar kit. And man, I absolutely love this look. I think it looks absolutely killer. The customer's on his way right now to come pick it up, and I know this is exactly what he was going for. Well guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed checking out the transformation of this 2025 Tacoma. I know I enjoyed filming it. The guys smashed it out of the park in the garage. But as always, leave a like on the video, comment down below of what you think about this 2025 Stormtrooper Tacoma, or how you would build your Tacoma if you had one at home. And subscribe to the YouTube channel, join the KHC family, and we'll see you guys in the next one.